What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the MMS not receiving issue in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all check the access point name settings. So for that, open settings, tap on mobile networks and then tap on your SIM card name. Now here tap on access point names and then tap on this arrow with MMS option. Now from here check the information that you have entered if it's correct or not. So if the information is not correct, then correct the information, and after correcting this information, from here the MMS not receiving issue will be fixed. But after correcting the information, if you are still having the issue, then tap and hold on the messages app, then tap on this information icon and then go to its storage. Now clear this cache memory. So to clear it, tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory, the MMS not receiving issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the MMS messages not receiving issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.